Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my cozy lifestyle. The rain is painting such a soft rhythm outside today, and it feels like the perfect backdrop for a slow, comforting day indoors. I thought what could be cozier than filling the home with the smell of something baking. So today I am making two kinds of cookies and later a homemade pizza warm from the oven. Just a simple day of rain and cozy little joys. Okay, so now I'm getting started on the pizza dough. Honestly, making dough at home always feels kind of magical. You start with just a few simple ingredients and slowly it turns out into something soft and fluffy. I know it can feel a little difficult at first, but once you try, you'll see it's actually pretty easy and so satisfying. The best part is when you make it yourself, you know exactly what's going in. It's fresh, it's healthier, and definitely way better than the ready made pizza bases from the store. Those are convenient, but nothing compares to the taste of homemade dough baking in the oven. It just feels wholesome. Plus, there's something cozy about the process itself mixing, kneading, and then waiting while it rises. It's like the dough slowly comes alive and the whole kitchen starts to feel warm and inviting. Especially on a rainy day like this, it feels like the perfect little ritual. I can already imagine how amazing the house is going to smell once the pizza's in the oven. So, while the pizza dough is resting for about an hour or two, I thought why not start on the cookies? Here I am making vanilla cookies. It's honestly one of the simplest recipes, but the results are always so good. I love how quickly everything comes together. Just pour, mix, and before you know it, you have this soft crumbly dough that smells absolutely heavenly. Once the dough is ready, I wrap it up in the cling film and let it chill in the fridge for at least half an hour. That little rest makes the cookies bake up perfectly later on. It's such an easy bake, but the taste and the aroma always feels like a warm hug in the cookie form. The rest is over and now it's time to shape each cookie by hand. Soft dough turning into little rounds of comfort. One by one they find their place on the tray, waiting quietly for the warmth of the oven. I slide them into preheated OTG for about 20 to 25 minutes, and soon the kitchen begins to fill with the sweetest aroma. And then that magical reveal, trays of golden cookies, warm and glowing, like sunshine captured in tiny bites. Now the next batch of cookies begins, oats and coconut. Simple ingredients that somehow feel like comfort itself. As I stir them together, the mixture turns soft and rustic, carrying the promise of warmth. Once the dough is ready, chill it in the fridge for half an hour and then I shape them gently, one by one, and place them on the tray, each round like a little piece of calm. Into the preheated oven they go, and while they bake, the kitchen slowly fills with the warm, nutty aroma of toasted oats and coconut. And when they are ready, they come out golden and crisp on the edges. A cookie that's both simple and nourishing yet feels like such a treat. Okay, so our pizza dough has been resting and just look at it rise. I always find this part so satisfying. It's like a little science experiment happening in the kitchen. Time to punch it down, give it a quick massage and then dust the tray with some flour. Now I'm spreading it out into a pizza base, nice and even, and pricking it with a fork so it bakes perfectly. Next comes the fun part, pizza sauce, a generous sprinkle of cheese, and of course veggies of your choice. I love how colorful it already looks. Into the preheated oven, it goes for about 25 to 30 minutes, and honestly, the wait is the hardest part. But finally, here it is, fresh homemade pizza, hot and golden. A little oregano, a pinch of chili flakes, and it's ready to be sliced and shared. And trust me, it tastes every bite as good as it looks. If you are enjoying this cozy baking day so far, don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps me to know what you would love to see more of. And if you are new here, I would love to have you as part of my cozy lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button and join in. And of course, what's baking day without something to sip on? I am making myself a quick cold coffee. First frothing up some coffee, then adding it over chilled milk and ice. A quick stir and it's ready. I love pairing it with fresh cookies from today. Honestly, the perfect cozy treat while listening to the rain outside. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye bye.